How to use Zelle to transfer money on Truist Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can transfer money on Truist Bank using Zelle. So to do that, first of all, simply log into your Truist Bank's online banking account on your mobile device, and once you've done that, tap on the Transfer and Pay tab which is in the bottom side of the screen. After that, you will be taken to this page where you'll be basically provided with three different options. So the first one is transfer money and pay tourist bills. The second is pay other bills. And the third one is send money with Zelle. Now, since we are here to use Zelle on Truist, we'll simply tap on the third option. After that, choose whether you would like to send money or request money. So since we are sending money, we'll tap on the option send money. After that, simply select a recipient. Now, if you don't have a recipient set up, simply tap on the option add recipient and then add a new recipient. Now, once you've done that, enter the amount you'd like to send. After that, tap on the option done. Now, select from which account you will be sending your money from. So for now, I'll simply choose my primary checking account. Now, once you've done that, tap on the option review and then you will be provided with all of the details of your transaction. So simply tap on the option send and there you have it. So that is basically how you transfer money from your Truist Bank to someone else using Zelle. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.